Hello and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we will be creating the detail view of our vehicles in the fleet database. Let's begin by opening the image manager from the screen properties section. We will load as local images all the artwork in the detail screen folder. Make sure you are on the fleet screen and create a new detail type of view. Once created, select it from your views. Notice you'll be slided down to the edition mode of the selected view, where we will design the visual representation of each vehicle in detail. Notice that all the purple elements are the defined fields of our fleet table or fleet database. Let's start by dragging onto the screen the detail image. Center it and give it a width of 80%. Now let's drag the modal text element. Let's give both the element and the text inside the text element a centered alignment. Next, drag a separator element onto the screen. Center align it and give it a width of 80%. Let's drag a table element and center align it. Now define 3 cells inside of it, each cell with a width of 33%. Let's drag a table element and center align it and define 6 cells inside of it. Give these cells a width of 16 and 17% respectively, in a way that the widths of the cells altern from 16 and 17% width. Let's place 3 image elements into the 3 cells of the first table and center align the images. Drag a separator element and give it a line style of no line. Assign the image elements the following images: the car length icon, the width and the height icon. In the second table, begin by inserting in the first cell the length car text element. Align it right and give it a size of small. In the third cell, place the car width and give it the same format. Repeat the process for the height car text element, which goes in the fifth cell. In the remaining cells of this table, we will place static text elements, all of them aligned left and with a size of small. These three elements will contain a .m text, standing for meters. Select the first table and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, or Command on a Mac, in order to duplicate it. Let's exchange the images of the duplicated element for the following ones: cargo dimension in length, height and width. Let's reduce these three images down to 80%. Now duplicate the second table we created on this screen. Even you don't see them, the dynamic text elements from the database are there, and we will have to erase them before we insert the new ones. So go ahead and do that. Now we can insert the low dimension text elements in the following order: length, width and height. And remember to align them right and give them a small size. Duplicate a separator element and again the first table. This time we will place the images representative for fuel type, license and price. Now let's duplicate the second table element we are reusing. This time we need a slightly different cell distribution, so go ahead and delete the first two cells with a width of 17% and adjust the remaining two cells of 16% up to 33%. The result should be the one on the screen right now. Inside the first one, place the fuel text element. In the second cell, place the license text element. And in the third one, the price per day. In the last cell, we will place a static text element with a dollar symbol. Duplicate a separator element. Next, let's duplicate again our first table structure. This time place the images representative for max load, refrigeration and volume. Let's duplicate the lower table structure and place inside the max load kilogram text element, the refrigerated indicator and the cubic meters indicator with the M3 static text element in the last cell. Okay, looks like we are done with the detail view. You can simulate the result from the simulator in both phone and tablet format. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye bye.